Alright, so it's Tuesday, November 3rd. We're on this job here today. We are doing some small site work, I would call it, which is unusual for us in the landscape world. So we got some culverts we're going to be installing in this ditch here. Ripping out this old culvert here. You can kind of barely see it. And then we got to excavate this area. Something like that. You can see the little green pin flags out there represent the building that they're going to be putting up. So we're excavating the lot up over into here. Then we're going to be rolling out some fabric, putting some millings in here and making a parking lot. And that's kind of it for this year's work. We'll be back next year to do some finish work and some grading. But for today we're going to be excavating out for these two culverts, putting those in, and then getting our base prep, subsoil prepped for millings and whatnot. So I'm just dropping off the machine right now. I got to head back and get the T66 and we'll be after it. So let's get into it.
Speaking on all your talents, I've noticed you have a balance. A match made in heaven, doubt it, but who's to say we're invalid? I noticed that you're a freak, I'm a mess. Second guesses put to rest, even see you as Juliet. No stranger to the matter, put one and one together. I'm with it if you with it, why make our love forbidden? And escape from my last, let's not move too fast. Escape from my last, let's not move too fast. Let's talk a little, let's not get caught in riddles. No need for dust to settle, come on, let's talk a little. I sense a change in your heart, there's no more putting it off. I said let's talk a little, come on, let's talk a little. At first you jumped into something, said you wanted attention. What you got was unwanted, taking a chance on assumption. Let's talk. I said let's talk a little, come on, let's talk a little. Don't be offended from my obsession, you're distracted from that perception. Turn your lens, zoom on and stay focused on the scene. Your fragrance in the air, attaching to my lungs. You was all alone, I was all alone, texting on the phone. No stranger to the matter, put one and one together. I'm with it if you with it, why make our love forbidden? And escape from my last, let's not move too fast. Let's talk a little, let's not get caught in riddles. No need for dust to settle, come on, let's talk a little. I sense a change in your heart, there's no more putting it off. I said let's talk a little, come on, let's talk a little. At first you jumped into something, said you wanted attention. What you got was unwanted, taking a chance on assumption. Let's talk. I said let's talk a little, come on, let's talk a little. I sense a change in your heart, there's no more putting it off. I said let's talk a little, come on, let's talk a little. I sense a change in your heart, no more putting it off. At first you jumped into something, said you wanted attention. What you got was unwanted, taking a chance on assumption. Let's talk. Let's talk a little, let's not get caught in riddles. No need for dust to settle, come on, let's talk a little. I sense a change in your heart, there's no more putting it off. I said let's talk a little, come on, let's talk a little. At first you jumped into something, said you wanted attention. What you got was unwanted, taking a chance on assumption. Let's talk. I said let's talk a little, come on, let's talk a little. roadside. I want it all this night. Go on again, even if I can do what I want if it makes me die. This cold night, I'm cold inside. I want it all this night.
Alright, that's a wrap for now. We got this driveway in, culverts in, driveways in. All this area was excavated. A little turnaround over there, excavated. 14 tandem loads of millings brought in. And then got the outer perimeter all rough graded. Water department was in. Got their water supply done. So loading up equipment and getting out of here. Thanks for sticking around.